RSIM 16 is a universal 5G SIM unlock card, which is suitable for iOS14 after RSIM 15. Turns locked into unlocked without operation, just insert the card and use it. Compatible with unlocking iPhone 12 Pro Max, 12, 11 Pro, 11, X, XS, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 6, etc. A series of locked models. After unlocking for the first time, it is completely free to insert the card later. The free DIY covered design allows maintenance and self-staff to no longer worry about the inventory backlog caused by the incompatibility of traditional cards.
尊敬的5G 用户，欢迎。
RSIM 16 has the RSIM dongle upgrade function for smart cloud. Can carry multiple sets of unlocking procedures in one. They can all be upgraded to the latest unlocking card application program through the cloud with RSIM dongle. Which unlocking program you think is more stable and is easier to use, you can download which one from the official website of RSIM. Both programs can be upgraded online for free at the same time. The Black Technology RSIM 16 unlock card that makes the locket to unlock is coming. Compatible with all series of iPhone ICCID unlock modes without any operation, insert and play, simple operation, support upgrade.